Unleash your creativity with the Bambu Lab P1S, the ultimate 3D printer that sets the standard for excellence in 2024. Here's why it's a strong contender for the title of Best Overall 3D Printer. 1. Fully enclosed build volume. With a fully enclosed build volume of 256 kx 256 x 2.56 mm, the Bambu Lab P1S ensures better temperature control and consistent prints, guaranteeing superior results with every creation. 2. Lightning-fast print speeds. Experience unparalleled efficiency with print speeds of up to 500 mm/s, allowing you to bring your ideas to life quickly and effortlessly. The high-precision auxiliary cooling fan ensures that even at these speeds, your prints retain sharp details and impeccable quality. 3. Built-in air filtration. Keep your printing environment clean and safe with built-in air filtration, ensuring that harmful particles are filtered out, providing a healthier and more enjoyable printing experience. 4. Compatibility with Bambu Lab P1S Multicolor Material Station. Elevate your prints to new heights with stunning multicolored creations. The Bambu Lab P1S is compatible with the P1S Multicolor Material Station out of the box, allowing you to unleash your creativity and produce vibrant, eye-catching designs. 5. User-friendly interface. Get started with ease thanks to the user-friendly interface, designed to streamline the printing process and make it accessible to beginners. At the same time, the array of advanced features caters to the needs of experienced users, ensuring maximum versatility and customization. Experience the exceptional value proposition of the Bambu Lab P1S and unlock endless possibilities in 3D printing. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, this versatile printer is sure to exceed your expectations. Subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge technology and innovation.